Top 9 Best AI Tools for Business. What if you had a magic wand that, when you wave it, would add an extra hour or two onto your busiest workdays? We're talking metaphorically, of course, but with the power of AI, this fruitful fantasy is not all that far away from reality. Here's our list of the top 9 AI-powered tools to boost your business. Number 9. Reply.io. If you've ever worked in a sales environment, or even if you're a business owner, you'll know just how valuable leads are. Chances are you've spent countless hours with your phone off the hook, or typing out cold emails to clients, tirelessly striving to turn those leads into thriving connections. Enter Reply.io, with tools that do anything from generating punchy, engaging email templates to auto-replying and arranging meetings with clients using JSON AI. Reply.io will turn your sales floor into the A-team. To further automate your workflow, you're even able to integrate Zapier and HubSpot, so you can kick back with a pina colada on a sun lounger while this magical AI tool does all the heavy lifting for you. Number 8. Grammarly. Unless you've been living under a rock, you're bound to have at least seen an advert for it. Started life in 2009 as an educational app to help university students improve their English skills. Since then, it's evolved into a fully fledged spelling and grammar checker, which can even analyze the tone of your text and suggest more sophisticated vocabulary choices. Kiss goodbye to dreary-sounding emails and social media content. Grammarly is here to help you seriously impress your audience. It's available as a free Chrome extension, an app for iPhone and Android, as well as there being desktop versions for macOS and Windows. On top of this, in April of this year, Grammarly released Grammarly Go, a generative AI tool that can write paragraphs of content from a simple prompt. Definitely something to keep an eye out for. Number 7. Motion. Imagine Trello crossed with Google Calendar, crossed with a personal assistant who knows your own schedule better than you do. Motion is like a to-do list on steroids. You simply add tasks to your list, along with their deadline, priority, and duration, and Motion automatically fills your calendar based on this criteria. Emergency meeting at the office? Motion will intelligently reschedule your day to accommodate any unforeseen circumstances. Talk about turbocharging productivity. You can even collaborate with your team using the powerful Project Manager tool. Simply add projects and tasks to your list, and Motion will automatically delegate these tasks to each team member's calendar. No more missed deadlines for you. Number 6. Descript. It goes without saying that videos are the most popular form of social media content in 2023. In fact, TikTok and YouTube alone have over 3 billion active monthly users. It's a fact that creating and uploading video content is sure to boost your brand awareness. Descript makes your video editing process an absolute breeze. You can start with as little as a video script, and Descript will generate a voiceover for you. You can also import your own voiceover and video clips, which will automatically be cleaned up to remove filler words. With a plethora of stock videos, photos, and sound effects at your disposal, supreme video content is just a few mouse clicks away. Number 5. Mid-Journey. In the last year or so, we've seen a whole host of new AI-powered tools burst onto the scene. One of the most mind-blowing, however, is Mid-Journey. Mid-Journey is a Discord bot that generates images based off a given prompt. Despite still being in its beta version, it has already generated some impressive images. The quality of the images is comparable to those created by other text-to-image AI programs, such as DALL-E 2 and Imagen. However, Mid-Journey is unique in that it allows users to edit and refine the generated images. This enables users who might not be familiar with photo editing apps, such as Photoshop, to create stunning images nonetheless. Due to a recent spike in popularity, Mid-Journey has unfortunately stopped its free trial, but you can subscribe to a basic plan for as little as $10 a month. Number 4. Meta Code Llama. In the last couple of weeks, Meta announced Code Llama to the public. With support for Python, C++, Java, PHP, TypeScript and JavaScript, C#, and Bash, Meta's latest AI venture is set to change the game for software development. Since Microsoft have started to charge a monthly fee for GitHub Copilot, it's refreshing to see a big company like Meta looking to give back to the community that is constantly innovating the very technology it uses. Code Llama's GitHub repository is now live, enabling the general public to download and tinker around with it. Number 3. Wingman. Ever since COVID, there has been a big shift in people's work environments. Due to travel restrictions, people had to start working from home, but thanks to advances in video conference software like Zoom and Microsoft Teams, this transition was made a lot easier. Better yet, with technology like Wingman, you're able to record these calls, transcribe them, and you're even provided with an analysis of the call. Key questions are highlighted, as well as parts of the conversation that were crucial to converting your lead into a customer. Number 2. Beautiful AI. It's one thing to understand a concept, explaining the concept to another group of people, now that's a whole different kettle of fish. Thankfully, tools like Beautiful AI exist. Beautiful AI is king when it comes to displaying information in both a concise yet beautiful way. Much like other tools in this list, you simply give it a prompt and it will generate a PowerPoint-style slide. It can scrape the web for relevant statistics or quotes, and you can even configure it with custom fonts, colors, and you can add your business's logo to ensure that the presentation stays on brand. Add some animations to your slides and you're sure to bag that promotion you've been looking for. Number 1. ChatGPT. At number 1, we have the app that arguably birthed this AI craze that we find ourselves in. ChatGPT. On November 30th, 2022, OpenAI released ChatGPT to the public, and to say it was well received would be an understatement. In just 2 months, it hit 100 million monthly active users. The GPT-4 model brings in even more features. You can now install plugins. Some notable plugins are Speak. Translates text into another language, while providing context examples and alternate translations. OpenTable. Provides a list of restaurants based on your prompt. You can specify what type of cuisine, a date and time, a location, and you'll be given links that will take you straight to the restaurant's bookings page. Zapier. This particular plugin really opens up a world of possibilities with your workflow. You can schedule social media posts, update spreadsheets, and much more by simply asking ChatGPT in a natural, human way. In the workspace environment, it's invaluable. Need to write a strongly worded CV to wow potential employers? ChatGPT's got your back. Having trouble with your computer and the IT technician's gone out for lunch? Ask ChatGPT and it will walk you through the steps needed to fix your issue. It can even write and debug code, without you needing to have prior knowledge. From writing a pithy email, to generating you a Python to-do list program, it's clear to see how ChatGPT became the fastest growing app of all time. There you have it, 9 AI-powered tools that will supercharge your business. Do you use any of these tools already in your workflow? If so, please share how they've helped you in the comments below, we'd love to hear. If you haven't tried any of these apps, we would highly recommend them. Got a $1 billion idea for a web app? How about downloading Code Llama to not only explain the steps needed, but to also write the code itself? In fact, why not try combining 2 or more? Want to start a YouTube channel? Why not generate a script using ChatGPT, passing it through to Descript alongside some custom imagery generated using Midjourney? The possibilities are endless. Even if you're stuck for ideas, ChatGPT can help you with brainstorming. We hope you learned something from this video today. If so, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to make sure you're updated whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Have a good time from Online Learning Team by Sir Asim.
Subscribe us.